Good morning, everybody. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine and safe at your homes. In today's this video, I will tell you that how to make a Google Classroom and how to add students in the classroom. For that, I will just go to my Chrome, and as we are in our Chrome, from where you go to your classroom or that way, we will just go. Just a minute. I will go from this shortcut. So I will click on classroom, and the classroom is loading. As I have my three classrooms, I have to take again one classroom. So for that, if you are working on your laptop or your phone, here you will get add or create class on your mobile. Okay, so I will create or join the class. I will click here and create class. So we don't have to join the class, we have to create the class. So I will create this class. So you have to see that how it will get. So again, one second, continue I will do, and class name will be semester 4. Okay, and section 1 and subject physics, and room number is also 1. So I will room number is, I will click 3. Okay, so it will start doing this all. It is creating this class, so just a second, it will not take that much time. So it has been created now. Now we can communicate with our students here, and if you want to uh, add people, so I have tell you that how to add people. So that for that you don't have to do this invite. For that you will need their names. If you want to directly add them in our classroom, so for that you will see this code. You have to tell them that this code will be for first. I will tell you that you have to copy this invitation link, and while signing in you have to tell them that you have to enter this code, which is as it is written here, ZRGO22B. Okay, so this is that code. You will copy this link and invite it. Okay, then suppose I want to create assignment or classroom, means create assignment material, anything. So here I can get it, and material, question, quiz, assignment also we can give. So this type of people, and for have joined, our students have joined in our Google Classroom. So here the name will be also written, and here the students names will be also be here. And if you conduct any marks for that any assignment, so students will just see it and they can do. So now I will copy one message from the next classroom, because I want to type that same message. Okay, so again I will open my classroom. This is new added here, and semester 6 which I have created, I will just, and okay, so I will just copy this thing, and I will copy this and control V. As I have done it, I can add any link, any file, any YouTube file. Suppose you have a YouTube account also, and you can upload it. So you can upload your videos and presentations. Okay, so now here one option will be this post option. So I will just post it, and it will be posted to students, and it is this will be that only, there only. Now I want to change this theme of this. So select theme I will do, and suppose I want to do that maths and science. Suppose maths and science, and for that I shall take this, but I want this one because I'm teaching physics, so that's why I'm opening this, and it is here. So, and now I have updated the class theme also, and now here students can see in which classes they have added. Semester 4 they can see, semester 6 they can see physics class 10 and physics 1, and it can be, they can see that they are added in that. Now as we have done with this, now uh, just 1 minute, I will undo it. Okay, now if you want to set a question for them and they want to give answers, so you just click on this question, add what your question were. If you want to take Google Forms, so you don't have to make this Google Form at another, you will make the Google Form in your drive, and as in assignment you will add the link, and then it will be added to your assignment and students can solve it. Okay, so in this video we have learned that how to use our Google Classroom and how to add students. For today it is that much only. Thank you.